My name is Wendell. I'm the owner of a digital marketing agency. I give ClickUp 4 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Before ClickUp, we tried Asana, we used Trello, we used a couple of other tools. The biggest difficulty we had was being able to streamline and scale without losing functionality. We run pretty lean, so a lot of the free features inside of ClickUp worked great for us. We chose ClickUp for its ease of use. It allowed for us to be able to streamline our processes within our organization. So we actually use it as an external project management tool, but also an internal project management tool. One of the other things was the awesome price point and how many things come with that free fee with the freemium portion of the software. So the difficulty we had with ClickUp at the onboard was not having anyone dedicated to help us with the process. We followed the online tutorials, but it actually created a very convoluted workspace where it imported everything in a way where it was really hard to find everything. So we actually ended up having to onboard twice. The biggest advice would be make sure that your data is uploading properly. Perhaps reach out to ClickUp to see if someone can walk you through it, or go to YouTube University and try to get that done. The other big piece of recommendation would be make sure that you understand the hierarchy and the way that you're uploading your team, and if you're bringing in clients onto the platform to monitor projects as well. I think you'll know when it's time for you to start using ClickUp in your business when the scalability of your current project manager either gets too bloated in cost or you start to lose functionality.